Hello children, welcome to the virtual class. Good morning all of you. I hope you are doing your PH properly, you are fit and fine at home. So let us start today's science period. And today's our topic is that we are going to start a new lesson. And the name of the lesson is lesson number 5, bones and muscles. So this lesson we are going to start today. So for that students, you have to open page number 43. Okay, so see this page you have to open in your science textbook, page number 43. So let us see what we are going to learn in this lesson, that is the about the bones and muscles. So first of all we will check the learning checklist. We will check the points which we are going to learn. So bones and muscles, that will be our first point. Second point will be importance of exercise and healthy food, that we will see in the next video. And posture, that also we will see in the second video of lesson number 5. So let us start today's our first point, that is the bones and muscles. Okay, so today's our point is bones and muscles. So we will start this point with the let's get started activity. So for that you have to look into your book, page number 43. So see, look at the pictures given below. Write the names of the body parts that are used to do the given activities. So see, for that what you have to do, you have to look at the pictures. See, I am going to show you the pictures. So see, look at the pictures given below. Write the names of the body parts that are used to do the given activities. So see, the boy is walking and the word walking is written here under the picture. Okay, so see, for walking which body part do we need? Yes, legs. So you have to write here L-E-G-S, legs. Next picture, see a beautiful girl like you. Yes, girls. So she is here and what she is doing? She is reading. Okay, she has a book in her hand and she is reading. For reading, which body part does she need? Yes, she need her eyes to read. Okay, so in this way you have to write E-Y-E-S, eyes there. Okay, now see, touch and press your cheek, like you have to touch and press your cheeks like this. Okay, and knee also, knee also you have to with your fingers. So the cheeks feel soft, so our cheeks feel very soft. Okay, and the knee feels hard. Yes, the knee feels very hard. Now why? The soft parts of our body are the muscles. So see, the soft parts of our body, the soft parts of our body are the muscles and the hard parts of our body are the bones. So I hope you understood. Okay, so soft parts of our body are the muscles and hard parts of the body are the bones. Now let us learn more about them. So bones and muscles, I put the heading already there. Now see in detail. Bones and muscles together give shape to our body. Yes, means bones are also important for our body and muscles are also important. Both together they give us a good shape to a human body, okay, or our body. Bones and muscles are covered with skin. Now see, this is skin, this is my skin, so you can check your skin. So this covering, whatever the covering is there for bones and muscle, that is called as skin, and skin provide the covering to the bones and muscles. Now know the fact is there, that box, in that box they have given us, and you already know, many of you already know this thing, that there are 206 bones and more than 600 muscles. See, 206 bones, there are here about 206 bones, okay, and more than 600 muscles are there in our body. So this is the fact, okay, in our body. So muscles and bones are very important things. So see, now I hope you understood what is meant by bones. See, our body is made up of bones, okay, and the structure of that bone is called as skeleton. So let us see the new point, that is the skeleton. Before that I am going to write the new words. You have to write down, okay. So bones, muscle and skin. These are the three new words for you. So new words. You have to learn all these spellings properly. Bones, muscles, skin. I hope you understood what is meant by bones, what is meant by muscles and what is meant by skins. Okay. Once again I will repeat for you. Soft part of our body are the muscles and the hard part of the body is called as bones, and skin provide covering to the bones and muscles. So this example. So now skeleton. Okay. So see the new point, that is the skeleton, and this is new word for you also. Skeleton. Skeleton. Okay. So you have to learn all these spellings properly. So skeleton. See page number 44. You have to open for that. Our body has a framework. See, our body has a framework. Now framework is also a new word for you. Okay. So number 5, framework. Now what is meant by framework? So see, the meanings are given in your book only. So see, framework means a basic shape, like a basic shape, okay, that forms a support for something, for something. For example, have you seen photos, photo frame? So that is the frame of that photo. Now photo or framework means a basic shape that gives support to the support for something. Okay, so skeleton is like a framework. It gives support to our body. So that's why it is framework. Now see, our body has a framework of bones called the skeleton. Our body has a framework of bones are called the skeleton. So let us write the definition. So our body has a framework of bones, okay, are called or is called skeleton. That is what, that's why I wrote here is, okay, skeleton. So see, our body has a framework of bones is called skeleton. Okay, so it is important word that you have to keep into mind. So see, now the skeleton gives shape. Yes, the skeleton. Now I am going to show you the the diagram or figure of the skeleton. See, this is a skull. These are the bones of. See, this is a skull. Okay, है ना? And inside it brain is present. Now these are this is arm. Okay, and these are the bones of arms. So these are the small bones of fingers. Okay. Okay, this is a cage of bones. Okay, in that our heart is present. Again here are the bones. Again here are the bones. And these are the bones of legs. Again these are the bones of foot or feet. Okay, so this complete structure or this complete framework is called as skeleton. I hope you understood. For the detailed information or for the names of each and every bone, you can search in Google also. Okay, so you will get the names of all the types of bones. Okay, the names are there, and that chapter you will come in, you are going to study in future in the higher classes. So what we call to the particular bones, the names are there. Now our body has a framework of bones and called the skeleton. Okay, and the skeleton gives, and this skeleton, now you saw the skeleton means what? The skeleton is present in our school also. I hope you saw many times in the library, okay, or in the laboratory. So see, skeleton gives now you saw the skeleton. This skeleton gives shape to our body, okay, shape and support to our body. Okay, we would not be able to stand erect without the skeleton. Means we are standing straight. Now I am standing straight, or whatever you are sitting straight, standing straight, hai na? Only because of skeleton. If skeleton is not there, we cannot stand straight. Now it also protect the soft inner parts of the body. It also protect means raksha karta hai. Okay, suraksha karta hai. Inner parts of bodies, soft inner parts kaun se? For example, brain is present inside the skull. Brain is a very soft part. Okay, heart is present in our chest. Okay, or in the cage of bones, है ना? So उसको ribs बोलते हैं. ओके, सो उसके बीच में रहता है हार्ट, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट चेस्ट और हार्ट गेट प्रोटेक्शन. Yes, again various short parts of you will study in the next year all the types of systems, okay, or all the types of inner organs in the next class, in the third standard, in the fourth standard, in the fifth standard. So day year by year you are going to learn new about our human body, or about everything, about plants, about animals, about human body. Yes, so that's why I am telling you that science is a very very interesting subject. You get the knowledge very properly, okay, you get the knowledge, you can get updated yourself. So see, let us see, come to the our point. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. We would not be able to stand erect, okay, without the skeleton, and it also protects the soft inner parts like heart, brain, and many parts are there of the lungs, okay, of the body. The place where two bones meet. Now see, I can show you. So see, now it is a bone and it is another bone. It is one bone, it is second bone. So the place where two bones meet, the place where two bones meet is called a joint. So see, joint is again a new word for you. So see, joint. Okay, so see, this is, now here is the one bone and here is another bone, and it meet, these two bones meet here, so this is joint. Again this is joint. Again these are the small joints, okay, these are the joints, okay, again this is the joint, okay, see, okay, so these are the different joints. So see, the place where two bones meet is called a joint. We can bend our body like this. For example, I can bend my body like here, okay, or I can move my hand like this, or from here also, okay, or from here also. Yes, so like this, what happens, we can move our body or bend our body, okay, at the joints like the knee, okay, elbow and neck, okay. So see, I show you the examples, you can see the pictures. Knee, so you can bend like this, elbow, okay, and neck. So I show you the example of neck like. So we can move our body with the help of joints, okay. Now next point is, I hope you understood the point skeleton, okay. Once again I will repeat, our body has a framework of bones and that is called as skeleton, and where two bones meet together, that point is called as joint, and with the help of joint we can bend ourselves, okay. Let us move to the next point, that is the muscles. So see, muscles cover the bones and give shape to the body. Now muscles, like soft part of our body, are called as the muscles, okay, and muscles cover the bones, means there is a skeleton in our body. Yes, now see, this is the skeleton in our body, okay, and muscles provide the covering to this skeleton, or covering to the bones, okay, and some muscles are attached to the bones, some muscles are attached even to the bones also. ये जो muscles होती है वो bones को भी attached रहती हैं, okay, and for example muscles attached to the bones, you can see the picture, means you will clearly recognize it. See, muscles attached to the bones, see, this is a picture of a man, okay, and arm muscles, you can see, these all are the muscles which is given in brown color, okay. Chest muscles, see, okay. Now let us see, once again I will repeat, muscles cover the bones, muscles cover the bones, यानी पूरे बोन के अराउंड पूरा फैली हुई होती है अपनी मसल्स, okay, and give shape to our body, and some muscles are attached to the even bones also. Now bones and muscles work together, how they work together, or what is their function. So let us see, bones and muscles work together and help us to do things like write. Yes, with the help of bones can we write? No, for that we need muscles, okay. Now see, I hold the chalk, can I write with only the framework of bones or with the help of bones? No, we need muscles, okay. So bones and muscles work together and they help us to write something, okay, to write, to hold, like I hold the chalk, to hold the things, walk, yes, walk, run, and can nod our head. Okay, so like this we can nod our head. So in this way bones and muscles help together. Now revise and recall column is there, so I will take it as a orally. So say, who am I? This is the question. So I am the hard part of the body. So which is the hard part of the body? Yes, try to give the answer. Yes, bones are the hard part of the body. Next, number 2, I am the soft part of the body. Who am I? Yes, I am muscle. So see, this is a puzzle. Okay, so muscles are the soft part of the body. Number 3, I am a framework of bones. I hope you understood, because I repeated this sentence again and again, that framework of bones is called as skeleton. So see, you have to learn all the spellings properly. Number 4, I am the place where two bones meet. So I am the place where two bones meet. Which is that place, or what we call to that place? Yes, correct. That is joint. What is that? That is joint. So all these who am I? They have given the definitions in short of the bones, muscles, joint and skeleton. So now what is your PH? You have to read the complete dot part. Okay, students. So in the next part we are going to see or learn about the importance of the exercise and the healthy food. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.